Can you use antibacterial or scented soaps safely in your toilet? Antibacterial soaps contain chemical agents that reduce bacteria on skin, but when flushed into a toilet, they can interact with septic bacteria and municipal treatment processes, so use them sparingly to avoid disrupting biological digestion. Scented soaps add fragrances and oils that can accumulate in traps and pipes over time, creating residue that narrows flow or adheres to tank components. So limit use and choose water-soluble formulations to reduce buildup. For homes on septic systems, avoid regular use of persistent antibacterial ingredients because they can inhibit the beneficial microbes that break down waste and increase the need for more frequent pumping. If you are on a municipal sewer system, the treatment plant will handle most common soap residues, but concentrated loads of antibacterial agents from heavy or commercial use can still stress the biological steps at the plant. Best practice is to dispose of concentrated antibacterial liquids and industrial-strength scented cleaners through household hazardous waste programs rather than flushing them. When choosing products, favor those labeled as biodegradable, low residue, or designed for household plumbing, and avoid pouring thick oils or glycerin-rich formulas down the bowl. The three most common mistakes are using antibacterial products every day, assuming all scented soaps are the same, and flushing concentrated or industrial cleaners. Daily use of antibacterial products can suppress septic bacteria and lead to slower digestion of solids, so reserve antibacterial soaps for occasional use or hand washing outside the toilet and reduce overall volume entering the system. Treat all scented soaps as potentially problematic because heavy oils and non-water soluble fragrances will build up over time. Switch to mildly scented, water-soluble options, and run extra flushes with plain water to dilute residues. Flushing concentrated cleaners or portions of industrial containers is risky because they are formulated for heavy-duty cleaning and can damage seals, gaskets, or microbial processes. Instead, neutralize and dispose of those materials according to local waste guidelines or pour them into a collection container for hazardous waste pickup. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners and contractors around home care topics like plumbing product compatibility and maintenance. On our site, we help homeowners find local contractors and contractors find job leads, and we host an active discussion community where real users share experiences and practical tips.